Everyone. So, trade breakdown tayo para sa naging trade ko for Nasdaq this July 31, Friday, July 31, 2026. Ayan. Okay. So, meron akong around 1.93 R for this trade. And paano nga ba tayo nag-come up? Actually, ito is eval accounts, hindi siya funded accounts. Yan yung profit for eval accounts, dalawa. And naging target ko dito is yung buy side liquidity here. Okay, paano nga ba tayo nag-come up sa trade na to? Alright. So, nasa ano ako, delete ko muna tong profit here. Yan. If you're going to take a look at yung 4-hour time frame, we do have a confirmation that we are bullish, right? Here, meron tayong order block from 4-hour time frame. Here, nag-confirm yan. Tapos after niya mag-confirm sa candle na to, nag-retrace back, then tuloy-tuloy siyang umangat. So, ang pinaka-main next target natin dito is itong high na to. Itong buy side liquidity here. Okay? Now, ano yung naging basis ko for this trade around here sa mga candles na to? Since yung price, nag-retrace siya dito, candle body close sa candle high na to, next target is this buy side liquidity or yung candle high na to. Then tinignan ko yung 1 hour, same. Ito, here, dyan nag-retrace yung price. Sa 1 hour, meron tayong SMT divergence with S&P 500 around here. Tapos, pagpunta, dito muna pala tayo sa 1 hour. Here, meron tayong standard deviation projection. Kung titignan nyo, here, nasa reversal area tayo. So, balikan natin dito, here, yan. After niyang mag-retrace, dito, sa candle high, nung previous candle natin here, yung price is nag-react na here to continue yung bullish scenario natin or bullish momentum natin. And then, meron tayong confirmation that we are already in a reversal area standard deviation projection here. Pero hindi ako kaagad nag-enter. Yes, meron tayong SMT divergence with S&P 500 or ES here, but hindi pa siya confirm. Kailan siya nag-confirm? Noong nag-confirm itong inversion sa 15 minutes time frame. Here. Saan yung entry ko? Around here. Dito. Umangat, nag-candle body close, confirm yung inversion from 15 minutes time frame, nag-retrace here, entry, then bumaba yung price, ni-respect yung inversion natin here, then umangat until doon sa buy side liquidity. So, ayun. Sana nag-learn ka sa trade breakdown na to. And if you would like to learn more, sign up ka dito sa page natin. Meron tayong beginner's course dyan. Meron din advanced course sa tracebymark.com. Meron tayong free beginner's course. Tapos makikita nyo rin na nandyan yung community natin for our traders. Ayan. Yan lang. Thank you so much and bye-bye.